and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can save stuff from all over the internet without going into the Pinterest page. And this is something that has been made possible by Pinterest itself. Pinterest is offering a Chrome extension in order to allow people to save and pin stuff from all over the internet. And you can access it by going into the Chrome Web Store, and you can just type in the Pinterest for the Pinterest extension, and it will show up, and it will look something like this, a small P. And you can see that it's inactive now. The colorless state of the icon is a clear sign of its inactivity. And if we switch to another side, it will become colored, and it will be a sign of its activity, that it's ready to perform any action. So as we're on the Pinterest site right now, that's why it's inactive, because we are, well, on Pinterest, and this extension is by Pinterest, so we don't need it right now, and that's why the activity is controlled automatically, and that is a very useful feature. So let's just say that we go to a random site like this. As you can see that this is a digital marketing company, and if we scroll down, we can see anything that we like, or we can see any kind of image that we think we would like to save to our Pinterest account. So you can see that the P icon has become colored, and that means that it is now active. So if we click on this, it will show us all of the images that are present on the page, and we can choose from these in order to add to our Pinterest boards. So let's just say that we want to go with this one. We're going to click on save, and it's going to show us all of the boards that we can go through in order to choose from. So we have created a board named demo here just to demonstrate this example, just to demonstrate the purpose of the Pinterest extension. So we're going to click on save. And here we can see that it will be saved. Soon it will show up to be a saved pin. We can also create boards. So if you want to save a pin to an existing board, that is possible. But if you want to create a new board, that is also possible. You can also promote your pin, and you can see it now. So that's how you do it. That's how you can use Pinterest extension in order to save and pin stuff from all over the internet without going into the Pinterest app. And it's very convenient. It's very useful. So go ahead and use it for yourself.